Pakistan Foreign Minister has once again raised the Kashmir issue. In a press statement made by the Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, he's warned New Delhi that bilateral dialogue between the countries will not make any headway if the issue of Kashmir is not discussed. In short, what the man on your screens has said is that if Kashmir is not on the agenda, on the talking table, there will be no peace talks. Let's hear from the Pakistan Foreign Minister. But before we go to him, let's quickly go across to Maruf Raza, Times Now strategic analyst. Maruf, what do you make of this statement? Pakistan raising the ante, almost putting a preconditions to talk with India.
You see, just about a month ago, Pakistan was desperate that we would give them a certain degree of respectability by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh having a meeting at Zardari. After the meeting, the noises that came out of Pakistan was that Zardari had been snubbed by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Now we have Pakistan going back to square one, which has been really their sort of echo year after year on the simple note to say that, give us Kashmir and all issues will be resolved. But I think the matters between India and Pakistan are much deeper than that. And I did not think it was sensible on the part of the Indian government to try and give Pakistan the chance to have a dialogue with India. It was the same Shah Mahmood Qureshi who had turned around and said that we are talking and everything is back to normal, because they wanted to put the Mumbai attacks behind them and show to the world that they are acceptable to India, and this civilian government in Pakistan does not take responsibility for the Mumbai attacks. But if they represent the people of Pakistan, then they take responsibility for all the wrongdoings of the Pakistani military intelligence establishment, including the attacks on Mumbai. Now, as far as Kashmir is concerned, and Pakistan's view that they will not talk to India unless Kashmir is resolved, I think India should clearly dig its heels in, that as far as matters are concerned between Delhi and Islamabad, the matter has already been resolved in 1972, by the de facto border between the two countries, which is the line of control. And the second thing is the Shimla Agreement, which says very clearly that they will look beyond the line of control to look at other issues which will give people of Kashmir a brighter future. Pakistan's support of cross-border terrorism is actually making things bleak for the people of Kashmir. So I don't know how they have the audacity to speak for the people of Kashmir after the real mess they've allowed things to become in the valley with sending in terrorists of all sorts.
Right, Maruf Raza, strategic affairs analyst. In the meantime, let's hear from the Foreign Minister of Pakistan. He spoke in the city of Multan a short while back.
कश्मीर का हमारा मसला तो नया नहीं है, लेकिन एक रिकग्नाइज्ड मसला है और कॉम्पोजिट डायलॉग का वो हिस्सा है, क्योंकि दोनों ममालिक ने और दुनिया ने उसको एक अनरिजॉल्व्ड मसला तस्लीम किया हुआ है, तभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ना। हम चाहते हैं कि बायलैटरली हम न सिर्फ उसको डिस्कस करें, उसका हल निकालें। और कश्मीर के जो अवाम हैं, चाहे वो लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के इस तरफ हैं या लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल के उस पार हैं, उनकी वेलबींग, उनके जज्बात को मलूज़ खातिर रखते हुए हम आगे बढ़ें।